So as you can see already, it already has the curls. See the difference in her hair? Her curls are already popping. Okay, so I have my fresh aloe vera here. As you can see, I've already used some of this one, so I'm just gonna use the rest of it. So the first thing you wanna do here is cut this part off, dispose of it, and then take the label off if yours has a label. And then next thing you wanna do is cut your aloe vera into a few little pieces, like so. And then once you do that, you put it to the side. And then this is the important part. You want to split it like so. And this is the magic fluid. So then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this bowl right here. I'm going to then take my knife, take my aloe vera, and then get this part out and put it into the bowl. Be careful with the knife, guys. This can get really slippery. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and peel it off and put it in the bowl. Okay, so here you have it. I have my aloe vera in here with some juice already, and then I have this right here. So this is going to go into the trash. And then this, you can either blend it or you can use a sifter to sift the fluid out so that this part doesn't get into the child's hair. Some people blend it, but you don't really have to blend it. So what you can do is you can use something like an old scarf to sift the fluid out. So I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do that. I'm actually not gonna blend this one. So I'm gonna use this bowl and this sifter to sift out my aloe vera, like so. See? As I said, you really don't have to blend this if you have a sifter like this one. All you have to do is sift the juice out, like so. So this is actually how much juice I was able to get out. So this is what her hair currently looks like. As you can see, it's dry. It's very thick, but it's very dry. She wants to see what's going on back here. But yes, it's very thick, but it's very dry. So we're gonna go ahead and do the aloe vera treatment, and then you'll be able to see what a difference it makes. I'm in the middle of decorating for Christmas, so she has a Christmas back there. That's going to hopefully distract her so that I can get this done. So let's get started. So I have my aloe vera gel here. I'm just gonna go ahead and section off her hair so I can start applying it. As you can see, yes, mama. As you can see, she has a full head of hair. Most kids at this time have like patches in their hair, but she has a full head of hair because of the treatments that I do for her hair, and it is all natural. A lot of people keep asking me what I use to define her curls, so that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video. Yes, mama. So let's get started. So this is my aloe vera water. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to apply it on her hair. I'll set this here, and then I might have to section this off later so you guys can see the difference, but I'm starting in the back here, so let me make a part. So as you can see already, it already has the curls. And it works as a detangler too, because as soon as you apply this to the hair, it makes it soft and it makes it easy to comb. So see the difference in her hair? Her curls are already popping, and the one without the aloe vera water has absolutely no curls. And let me show you how long my daughter's hair actually is. This is how long her hair actually is. But because the top is not defined, you can't really tell. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply the aloe vera to the rest of her hair. Okay, so then I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it out. As you can see the curls here? Let me comb it out so you guys can see. I let it sit down for about 10 minutes because I don't want her to get cold, but this is what the curls look like. And this is actually how long her hair is. Down here. That's actually how long her hair is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it out. I'm not gonna use any soap at all. I'll just use some water and that'll be it. So this is what she looks like after her bath and her hair washed. I'm just gonna apply some coconut oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some coconut oil. Nadia, there it is. So this is organic coconut oil. I'm just gonna apply some of that in her hair, and then I think we should be good to go. See that? That's beautiful. And all her curls are intact.